Africa is rich, but most Africans are poor. We know Africa is probably the richest continent on earth with huge mineral, agricultural, human resources. But the average African business is struggling to get by. Now, in 2 days, I will show you how to transform your African business so you can generate more revenue from everyday things around you. Now, I have helped hundreds of African businesses to start a profitable export business, allowing them to earn 2, 3, 4, or even 5 times what they make selling locally. We know that a major part of African resources are exported to the Western world, and these riches are controlled not by Africans, but by foreign companies who have taken control of the continent. It is time we take back control of our motherland. It is time African businesses handle the marketing, the sales, and the distribution of the vast products that originate from Africa. And in these 2 days, I will show you the exact steps we have used to help businesses grow from zero to over $50,000 a month in export revenue in under 4 months. Come and learn how to determine the most profitable products to sell from Africa. Learn how to package, label, and brand your products so they meet the requirements of buyers abroad. Learn how to get the licenses you need to ship this product. And most importantly, learn how to find buyers abroad for your product. Your business must begin to sell on sites like Amazon, eBay, and distribute to retailers all over the USA and beyond so you can earn more in dollars. Come and learn the secret that has taken few African brands such as Alafia to become a multi-million-dollar company selling products as simple as African black soap and supporting thousands of jobs back home. The time is now. Click the link below to join this 2 days event, and I will see you soon.